Good morning.
We don't pull the roof down.
Hey, could you send me the link to the church thing? I didn't get it this week.
You didn't?
No, I got your one for the cross, that's it.
Oh.
We have a community vote.
All right,
How
yeah.
long?
2 minutes.
They say 2 minutes, but we were thinking of going, he said, it used to be 3.
As long as we
Good morning, Larry.
I'd say 5. Till our arms drop.
tired. They're gonna get tired waiting in this big one. We might find some that are swinging with
You think it'll lift me up in the air?
it. So the
Then it
only
might
thing,
pull the roof down.
so the only thing I
It's
guess
not
I'd
gonna
say.
pull the roof down,
Well-
and it's not gonna lift you up in the
It
air.
won't lift you up there, but we have dropped the spell.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard.
Yeah, the bell has fallen before.
On Easter Sunday.
It'll probably lift her off the ground.
It came through the ceiling.
Yeah.
She only weighs 120 pounds. It came right
Not
through
this
the
part, but
ceiling.
the other part,
It
yeah.
didn't drop all the way through, but the ceiling caved in.
And
Danny was
Dad
sitting,
was right
Danny was underneath it.
He was an usher that day. Standing right here.
And we heard it, we were in the back.
Yeah.
So you don't ring it that often, I take it.
They
got the big
bell.
bell.
Yeah, they fixed it. But the only thing I'd caution you is that when you get done, don't let it like go, right?
No.
Yeah, just don't let it go.
Hold it, cause then it like gets twisted upstairs.
Is it a big bell?
It's a big bell. Yeah. It's a big
We're gonna
bell.
let you go up and carry
Really
it down
big
for us
bell.
when it needs
I
it.
don't
Say more
think
like
so.
this. Pretty huge.
So who's got the official time?
Lori, do you have the time set?
I need my
hug today. She's got
Okay,
one.
you got it. It's coming.
She looks good.
But that little girl got to almost the point where you.
All right, we're
In
coming
your
out.
position.
She was getting more and more confident. Who was that? Right here. All of a sudden she had Lori's hands.
I got your
No, I did not. Yes, she did. Lori's hands. Unfortunately, I still had my hands.
No, they were beautiful hands, you did a great job.
Did just what they wanted.
You were a good filler.
Where do you
2
want
minutes to count down.
Okay.
Approach.
All
Or 2
good.
minutes, actually.
All good?
2 minutes to.
All good, buddy.
I can't see a thing.
I have my alarm set for
They make them so
View-
small now.
no,
It's
it's
cool.
not- the viewfinder's not bright enough.
Yeah.
We could stand like, you know, up and down the stairs.
That'd be cool. Stand up down the stairs.
It would look kind of nice.
I didn't know we were gonna be filmed.
I know. Dress
Well, you were
her
falling for people today.
Lori, did you see that little comment that Debbie put on the funeral arrangements? It said, my Donald was not into fancy clothing, so come as you are.
Yes.
Yes.
So we won't be in our fancy
No
clothes.
dressing up.
I like Lena Powell's comment.
It was
Mark got it.
What
Comment. Elena Powell's comment.
Oh,
About
Lena,
John
yeah,
Paul.
yeah, it's about John.
Yeah, it was nice.
Love
About
Friday.
the
Yeah.
cross, yeah.
Yeah, we would have
Man,
loved
that was beautiful. That cross really showed up.
I know. Is it?
Nice picture, Mark.
Okay.
Nice picture too.
All right.
Alarm's
going on.
10:58.
Ready?
Is that bell going?
Should I move?
Oh, I'm not going out in the road. Not past the white line. Nice to see Santa come out to ring his bell. You just need the red suit, that's all.
Good job, guys.
We did good.
We feel good about it.
Yeah, we did good.
All right, I'm done.
I think we should do this when we have the Ridge Road rummage sale and our cookies and our hot dogs are out and the drum up
What a bunch of dogs. Just do whatever a car comes by.
Take your breaks in between. All right. That was good. That was great.